Hello, my name is Vanessa Angel, and today we will be talking about a boutique hotel called Vie Est Belle, which is French for Life is Beautiful. We will be targeting people between the ages of 25 to 35, which are millennials. They are single or married without kids, and they crave human interaction, which is something that this hotel will be able to offer. It will convey positive feelings toward nature, which means that not only will this be a peaceful retreat from the chaotic life of New York City or another place that people may come from, it will also care about the environment. It will teach our guests how to properly take care of the environment, and it will overall be a pleasant experience for everyone. The logo for La Vie Est Belle is relatively simple. It's in green, it's in cursive, and there's a circle with leaves. The tagline is enjoy quality time with your environment, which means that along with being about caring for our guests, we also care about the environment, and we want the guests to really understand that and learn more about how to take care of the place we live in. The scents would be a mixture of floral, minty, and overall natural, nothing artificial. There will be an abundance of plants, which people can water if they want to, or they can purchase some of the plants that we will have in the gift shop. Such as jasmines or mints. The color scheme would be, as you guessed, greens. All shades of green, again in the plants and also in some of the amenities we offer and just the decor as well. La Vie Est Belle is located closer to luxury amenities and low pricing. One hotel, Brooklyn Bridge, may offer around the same amount of luxury, but the pricing is too high. So people with a budget would much rather enjoy luxury at a price range closer to a Best Western. It will be more affordable for millennials who don't really have a huge income, but also want to have the life that they feel that they deserve. Our persona would be, one of the examples would be Alexa Roberts. She is around 26 years old. She's single. She lives in Brooklyn, but she recently moved to New York from Washington State because she got a job opportunity as a journalist in The New Yorker. Her household income is around $80,000, and she's about to get a promotion. She lives very minimally, not a big spender. Her social media profile are Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and is thinking of deleting her Facebook account because she feels that it is no longer a great place for her to express herself. And she's even thinking about starting a YouTube channel. Technology, she relies heavily on her phone and Amazon Echo around her house, her apartment, and she uses her laptop more than a desktop. A day in the life of Alexa, it would be she wakes up at 5:30 a.m. to go running to Prospect Park. She goes to work at 7 a.m. and leaves at 5 p.m. She goes home to her dog and she prepares for her next day at work. Her hopes and dreams are to travel to exotic locations around the world, like Thailand and Tahiti. She wants to make enough money to support her family, and she wants to find someone who shares her values. Her worries and fears are did she make the right choice moving away from her family, and will she not be able to live up to high expectations people have of her. Her mother really influences her. She wants to be just as strong as her. And social media influencers such as Marie Kondo, who also lives very minimally and really has great organizational skills. And to make her life easier, she wants to try something new every day and get a roommate who can share the bills. That way she can save more money every month. Brand affinities are she drinks a lot of Starbucks every morning. She likes Gap for her clothing, Amazon for quick purchases, Adidas for running shoes. Our value proposition is that we are the only hotel that offers luxury at a low price, but is also environmentally conscious. We enjoy the beauty of nature, and we don't care much about making money, but just caring about people and the environment and making sure that everyone understands that they do play a part in making the world a better place, which is something that, again, not many hotels offer, if any. So we really want to set the bar high for what luxury means in terms of caring for others. The location would be Dumbo, Brooklyn, New York. Tourists usually prefer to go to Manhattan for Times Square and other places around Manhattan. We would offer new perspective of what New York has to offer, because Brooklyn has a lot to offer as well. Brand image would be that we are environmentally conscious and luxurious. Again, green buildings are environmentally responsible, which is what this hotel will be. It will be a living, breathing hotel that changes the way buildings are built. The decor is very simple, very minimalistic. For our brand activity, we believe in digital media as well as traditional media, such as social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. There can be a lot of ads that will pop up in someone's news feed where they can see, here's a new hotel that is cheap but also very luxurious, which is something that many people are interested in. And podcasts, which are becoming very relevant in today's world, and traditional media, such as radio announcements and magazine print ads. Another part would be personal selling. It's an essential part of the industry, and again, people really do crave face-to-face interaction, especially nowadays when technology is so heavy that people are forgetting what human interaction really is about. So there will be many people who work, many staff people who will really make sure you have a pleasant experience here in this hotel, and they will guide you through any questions you may have, any issues. They will simply be there to help you enjoy your stay. That's something that not many hotels are offering. A sales promotion. It offers incentives to potential customers. They can say that it will be 50% off to really draw people in, and then those customers can then recommend the hotel to others. It will expand our outreach, and people will be willing to pay full price afterwards, after the experience what this hotel has to offer, and it will be a win-win for everyone. Through publicity, a news article written about the experience here, and then be placed on a top hotels list, which many tourists really look into when booking hotels. They want to see other people's opinions on the hotel, and if we have lots of positive reviews, then many tourists would want to come to this hotel instead of others. Brand extensions. Compostable cutlery can be used and thrown into compost bins. Many people prefer plastic cutlery because it saves them time from washing the dishes every night. But again, plastic is a huge problem in our society because it goes into our oceans and it really hurts our environment in many ways. So if you throw these compostable cutlery in a compost bin, it will turn into soil, which will then help the environment, help many plants grow, and it will simply be helpful. It wouldn't destroy our world. And along with that theme, it would also make clothing made through recycled materials, collecting overused plastic, which will then transform into shirts, pants, even shoes, which can be very helpful nowadays to eliminate our waste. And since many people really do care about fashion, there will be fashion. Many social media influencers can promote these clothing and really change the way fashion is viewed, as well as it will eliminate a lot of plastic in our oceans. That is all. Thank you, and hope to see you soon at Vie Est Belle Boutique Hotel. Thank you.